Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more. And if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to adjust your shipping settings on Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify account and go to Settings and next to Shipping and Delivery. Now under Shipping Zones, delete everything you have now by clicking on these three horizontal dots and choosing Delete. If it says No Zones or Rates, click on Create Zone. After that, choose International and scroll down to also select the United States. Next, click on Add Rate. The first option we are going to create is the free shipping option, so leave the price at 0.00. The second and last option is called Express Delivery Plus Insurance. You can choose your price on this one, but for now, I'd make it $5. You have now added 2 shipping rates your future customers can choose from when ordering something. Thanks for watching and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.